out and fly, Mama. Got the cage door open. She's still in the enclosure, in the rooster enclosure. But I've got food all over the ground. I've got these sticks for her to perch, you know, like right there, so she can perch. You gotta fly, Mama. She drank water actually on her own for the first time. I'll put this one up here for her. She can sit up here. Fly, fly, fly. Got food everywhere for her. Gotta come out and fly, Mama. Can stand up here too. Taking her out a few times, she just flies right back into the cage. Come on, it's a beautiful Santa Cruz day. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, you gotta fly. You gotta come out. Come on, up. There she goes. There's food everywhere. Let her be.